of 2021. Applications are available on the Fresno Unified District website or through your school counseling office. The deadline for Fresno Unified seniors to apply for this college scholarship is March 4th.
Daddy, what's that big moving house thing?
It's a motorhome, Junior. Modern invention.
Modern invention? We carried our homes with us since, like, forever.
Yeah, but humans have Geico to protect them. Something goes wrong, they're covered. What do we have?
What could go wrong? Ooh, a feather.
A feather. Duck, Junior!
Minute
That's so tough, Daddy. That's a ball
distance,
Geico
almost
for
up to
our
7
babies. 50
miles.
minutes could save you 15% or more.
If you've recovered from COVID-19, you have the most powerful tool we have in the fight against this pandemic, uniquely in your blood.
It's the speed.
Antibodies. You are vital in our fight against COVID-19.
Time.
So donate today. Go to donateblood.org.
I started
Distance.
back at 24, 25